Welcome to Crochet Cuddles by Adi. Whether you are picking up a crochet hook for the very first time or returning to a hobby you love, I'm so happy you are here. Let's create something beautiful together. Before we begin, if you haven't watched my slipknot tutorial yet, I recommend starting there first, as it is the first step in crochet. I've leave the link in the description and in the iCards above. Now that we have our slip knot ready, let's learn how to make a foundation chain, the starting row for most crochet projects. So start with a slip knot on your crochet hook. Hold your hook comfortably. So here I am using this method, and let the working yarn rest on your finger so you can maintain a gentle tension. Okay, here you can maintain a gentle tension. So I am using this method like this and going over here and holding the shorty here so I can maintain the tension. Don't worry if it feels a little awkward at first. It comes much easier with practice. So now bring the yarn over the hook. Okay? Bring the yarn over the hook. This is called a yarn over. Next, pull the yarn through the loop. Let's do it one more time. Bring the yarn over the hook. This is called yarn over. Next, pull the yarn through the loop that's already on your hook. Congratulations, you have made your first chain stitch. This is the first chain stitch. Continue repeating these two simple steps. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Okay? Yarn over, pull through the loop. 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 Each new loop creates another chain stitch. And as you continue, try to keep your chain stitch even in size. Avoid pulling the yarn too tightly because tight chains can make the next row difficult to crochet. Your chain should be flexible and easy to move along the hook. You can count your chain stitches by looking for these little V shapes. Every V represents one chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we made 10 chain stitches. Learning to count your stitches is an important habit that will help every crochet project turn out just right. Every crochet projects begin with these simple stitches, so take your time and enjoy the process. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Crochet Cuddles by Adi and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next lesson. Thank you.